I'm here with Tinashe Hair once more. So I got 2 packages for today's product or wig that we got. So I'm guessing this has all the goodie in it because I did take a peek and none is in the box. So let's go through the goodies that we got first for today's wig. Alright, so firstly I'm seeing this bonnet. It's a navy blue bonnet that I got. Really nice. I then got a edge brush and comb. I got a pair of wig caps. A pair of these clips, which are great for when you curl your hair, or if you just want to, you know, use them as section clips. They're great for that. I also got these really minimalistic eyelashes. Like, they're really natural looking. Also, I have some hairpins here. And then lastly in the bag, I got my Tinashe elastic headband. So that's everything for the goodies. So in the box, this is where the wig is at, and there's an information card in here. Alright, has all their social media listed on it and how to care for your hair, you know, wash and care for it, how to return and all that stuff if you need to return the wig. So this is the wig. Alright, so let's get into it. I'm all for the top tier convenient wigs. And when I say convenient, I think you guys know what I mean. Glueless, the bomb glueless wigs. Like, them are run the place at. Like, they're the best things right now because they look so good as if you went to the salon. But you really didn't, you know, you just slip on and go kind of vibe. So the one that we're working with today is a glueless wig, as I said. And it's a 4x4. No, this is actually a 5x5 HD lace closure Bodywave human hair wig. No skills needed. Okay, no skills needed. Oh, look at these waves, and this is so soft. Oh my gosh, this is actually 24 inches long in terms of the density. I'm going to be sure to list it. And it's of a natural light 1B color. So as I said, this is a 5x5 lace closure wig, and it does come in a medium brown tone. So in terms of the cap construction, there is a total of 3 combs on the inside of the cap and adjustable straps in the back. You can make it as tight or as loose as you please. I also have a medium cap size that I'm working with, and they also went ahead and added a, you know, adjustable elastic band, so this can be super snug and very secure on your head. Remember, you don't need any adhesive for this, nothing at all. You don't need to do any baby hairs to finesse, no edges, because this is a gorgeous melt, like super melt down, like HD lace closure that we're working with. It looks very natural. It's already pre-plucked. And I mean, Tinashe always has great quality with their wigs and stuff, so I'm very excited. And it's also very full to the tip of the hair. Yeah, that looks really good. So you know what? Now that I show you guys everything about this gorgeous wig, let's go ahead and jump on into applying it, which is gonna be super quick, super easy. Let's go ahead and just slip this on. Super easy. Okay. This is perfection. Literally perfection. All I need to go in and do, because you can see that the front here is still a little casty, guys. Kids are playing outside, so please forgive me for all the noise. So yeah, you can see that it's a little casty here. So I did show you guys this in a previous video, that I use my lace tint spray to just help to blend down my lace further if it is that it is a little casty. Really doesn't take any time. There's nothing to it. So I'll just spray a little and tap that in, and it becomes very nice and undetectable. If you don't have the lace tint spray, you could literally use a little bit of your face powder, and it will help just the same to help to just blend everything down so it could match your skin tone better. It's just to help to camouflage the lace portion. So my parting does look a lean, so I'm gonna fix that. I'm not even the best at partings, but you know, I'm gonna try. And the waves look so good. I don't think I need to, because this is literally a throw on and go kind of wig. Okay, it's perfect for all my beginners. Like perfect. Zero experience needed with this type of wig, okay? I'm gonna get my wax stick, apply a little bit to the base, and get my hot comb. Get that really nice and flat. I'm just gonna do my usual, you know, get my foundation. Or you can get your powder, your concealer, anything that matches your skin tone to kind of like brighten the parting, make it more precise. Really, really nicely. And oh, you see these waves? Oh my god, this is so nice, and it's nice and full. Oh, Tinashe Hair, you guys did it again. Like, what? Glueless? Wow, amazing. I feel like oftentimes I hear females talk about like the reason why they won't wear a wig hair, or they won't wear hair, just for instance like vacation, is because, you know, whenever you wear a wig, the lace over time it will lift depending on the type of glue that you use, and it's just that they can't do it because they don't know how to fix it on their own. And all of that is not so they don't really want to wear the wig, it's just that they don't know how to maintain the adhesive for that install. With these wigs you don't need any adhesives. I feel like these wigs are winning. Let me know what you guys think, because I just feel like I'm doing y'all a favor. I just feel like I'm really putting you guys on right now, because I've been giving you so many awesome glueless options that look so natural. And Tinashe, yeah, these waves are so nice, soft, you know, very really pretty with the luster, very natural looking. It looks good, and the movement is nice as well. That nice soft vibe, like, it's super pretty, super pretty. What more could you ask for? It looks really good. 10 out of 10, would recommend. Not getting much shedding right now at all. Yeah, love it. Let me give you guys a back view. So that's how it looks in the back. It looks really good, guys. Not a lot of flyaways either, and it looks really, really pretty. So I totally love this, and again, perfect for my beginners. Let me know what you guys think down below. Let me know if you found this video informative, if you like the wig. You know, I love it. I'm going to be sure to drop the direct link to this wig in my description box, as well as the specifications. So if you're interested in getting it for yourself, you can go ahead and do so. And yeah, that's it for today's wig look, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.